have the exact dimensions, materials, we have assembly design, packaging size, and a cost target. Create me a mock-up design of this product, and this is what it generated. Have you ever wondered why some brand new Amazon sellers launch products and beat sellers even with years of experience? How are they ranking faster, converting better, and scaling even with fewer reviews? Now, most people think it's luck, but it's not. You're using a strategy that most Amazon sellers still don't understand. And once you see this, you'll never do product research or product validation the same way again. This means less guessing, less risk, and better odds of success. I'm about to show you an AI hack that can save you a huge amount of time and boost your chances of succeeding on Amazon. Watch this video until the end, and you'll learn how to develop products that pretty much guarantee you sales. You will be selling products that are not only in demand, but are still waiting for the right sellers to create them. First, let's talk about the biggest mistake sellers make. They stop at the keyword research phase. They open Helium 10 or Jungle Scout. They find a keyword with good search volume and low competition. That keyword only tells you where the demand is. It doesn't tell you how you're going to beat your competitors. And that's the difference where you make 10K or lose 10K. Now, if they only knew about these AI hacks that I'm going to show you today, then it would have saved them thousands of dollars. So without ado, let's hop into my screen and I'll show you how it's done. All right, I want to introduce you to the software called VOC.AI. Let's say we wanted to learn more about the countertop wine rack. After that loads, what you want to do is select the products that are most relevant to your main keyword. Because if I don't do that properly, we're going to scrape reviews of products that are irrelevant. And when that happens, we're going to get inaccurate review data, which then provides us with inaccurate feedback to develop the product. So let's keep going here. All right, now I've selected 30 ASINs or products. The next thing is click AI Analyze. After the report is generated, you will see it on the list here. Click on this one here. Okay, so this is the report generated. It reviewed 1,076 reviews within minutes. On top of that, it's also broken down the reviews and data into very usable, user-friendly data. For example, now we have an understanding of who uses it, when it is used, where it's used, and what it's used for. We also have the customer's feedback, the negative feedback, the positive feedback, the buyer's motivation. So we understand this product based on the usage level. We understand it on the customer avatar level. We understand what motivates them to buy the product. What are the customer expectations when they buy this product? This data is gold. We can use it for product research, product development, marketing the product as a direction on how to create creatives, and also understand what kind of text contents we want to put in our images and bullet points. Now, with all this data, we can stop here and start developing the product. We can start thinking of ways to improve it based on the buyer's motivations, positive and negative feedback. But we are here for AI hacks. So what we're going to do here is we're going to download all this information, each segment, and then what we're going to do is use all this data and input it into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, based on this information, create me a product that fills the gaps, fixes the solutions, and recommend me differentiations that will make this product successful. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So first off, in ChatGPT, what you want to do is upload the files that we downloaded. There should be 5 of them. And then we're going to type this prompt. Create a list of improvements for the product countertop wine rack that I want to sell on Amazon.com. Base this on the VOC.AI data I have uploaded, which are potential customers who have already purchased this product from competitors. We'll let that run. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT generated us. We have the core insight from VOC.AI data. We also have the recommended product improvements, the pain points, improvements, options. We have different ways to improve it here based on data. So no assembly, stronger structure. These are all based on the negative feedback and positive feedback in the reviews that were scraped from Amazon.com. We have accurate dimensions, we have multi-use functional top shelf. These are all different ways to differentiate this product so that we stand out according to what potential buyers actually want. So it built us the best winning version specifically for Amazon. Our selling price target should be between $39.99 and $49.99, and it gives you an honest recommendation of what to do and what not to do. And here's where it gets really cool. The next step, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create me the actual product, dimensions, materials, design, all of it, based on all this data that it has, and we'll see what it comes up with. So next, what you want to do is ask ChatGPT to build a winning version with the exact dimensions, materials, cost target, and price target. And this is what it will generate. We have a final winning product concept. We have the exact dimensions, why this works, materials. We have assembly design, weight capacity, packaging size, and a cost target. And it breaks down each piece. We have a landed cost with freight. We have an Amazon selling price target. So we want to launch at $39.99, and then when we generate enough reviews to build up credibility, we can raise the price. And then we have our Amazon fees, we have our PPC, we have our landed cost. This is all estimated. I would say ChatGPT has a very good understanding of this. It's about 80 to 85% there. We have a net profit of $8 per unit initially, and then it also gives you hidden opportunities. You can include free bonuses like corkscrew opener. This increases the perceived value as well. And then we're going to take this to a whole new level. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a mock-up image of this product so that we have an understanding of how it looks like, and we can also send this to the manufacturers. So the next step is asking ChatGPT, create me a mock-up design of this product. And this is what it generated. It's got the shelf, it's got the corkscrew opener, it has everything here ready to be sent to your supplier for a quote. Now, to put this into perspective, all of this was done within the time of this video. How crazy is that? So if you're not utilizing AI to help you with your Amazon business, to help you find products, to help you develop products, to help you design products, you're not doing yourself a favor.